This video from Red Heart will show how to make a half double crochet. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 11. Yarn over, skip 2 chains, and insert the hook into the top loop of the next chain. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops. This completes 1 half double crochet. Yarn over. Insert hook into the next chain. Yarn over. Pull yarn through, yarn over, pull the yarn through all 3 loops. This completes the second half double crochet. This video was brought to you by Red Heart at redheart.com.